Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with our winning coach, Renzi Bar. Coach Renzi, kanina nga po nasabi mo na ang pinabaw niyo talaga sa training ay takbuhan. And we definitely saw the results today. First half pa lang, 19 fast-break points. Coach, what did you like most about the way your team executed in transition and capitalized dito sa short handed na game?
Yes, first of all, I would like to thank the Lord. Bigyan kami ng unang manalo for this conference. Yun lang, like what I said before the start of the game, challenge ko yung mga players ko to commit number one on defense. Because for our last 3 games that we played, especially on our last game against LS, kumbaga talagang nagkaroon kami ng masamang depensa. Okay? Nagsimula yun from our rebounding department at the same time in transition defense. Okay? So that's why after our loss against LS, so kumbaga tinabahan namin talaga yung number one in defense. Transition defense plus rebounding. Halos pinatakbo ko sila ng pinatakbo sa training. Especially kung kami from the offensive rebound, pinibilang namin yun. Kung ilang offensive rebound ang mabigay, yun ang itatakbo ng players namin. So that's why, siguro ngayon, nag-commit yung mga bata, nag-commit yung mga players namin on our defense.
Thank you, Coach. We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations. Kasi nga nung di-mention na yung mga talo nyo, puro blowout. Was it difficult na coming to this game, alam natin TNT kahit short-handed, nandun pa rin yung reputation nila. Mahirap pa na motivate yung team after yung struggles nyo.
Yes, number one, napakahirap nung 3 straight losses. How you motivate the players, how you motivate the team. But like what I said a while ago, I told them just to enjoy the game. Huwag muna namin, we will just don't think about the winning right away. We just treat this game like quarter by quarter, every minute, possession by possession. So nakasakali doon, magkaroon kami ng pag-asa. So yun, eventually, we limit Tokentex to 48 points in the first half. So we have a good defense in the first half. Duplicate lang namin going into the second half, and especially with the leadership of our import, Karen Brown. So it's very vocal to the players that also just keep on playing defense. So yun na nangyari sa amin for this game.
Dear, congratulations. Welcome to the PD. This is your second game and finally got a win. Just your thoughts on getting this win and convincing one against TNT.
Thank you. It was very important for this win, for me personally, just to prove to everybody that I belong here, whatever, and also for the team. You know, they were looking for the first win, and I'm happy that I could help get them the first win. And I really feel good.
I believe you're the original choice, but there's a lot of things happening. Can you describe what happened? How did you came over here to give the title import?
I was playing my first 10 years in South America. So I guess the team, I had a friend in common that was part of the management of the team, and he kind of talked to them, and we came up with the deal to bring me here.
Coach, di ba, parang siya yung original choice nyo, but parang you had another import na hindi pinayaka, then you had maybe, ano ba yung nangyari?
Before he came here, nagkaroon siya ng there's a incident na they nasunog. There's a fire on their house in their country. So nasunog yung mga bahay nila. So that's why he came here late. So mura dami niya nasikaso. Plus same thing as his appearance in the last on this previous team na hindi nila nabigay natin. So yun, then on our first game against LS, he just got his GOB license, so medyo talagang hindi siya nakapag practice sa amin for the game against us.
Sir, was it difficult that situation you had? Was it difficult having those situations?
It was a little difficult just starting out, but the team, they welcomed me very good, and the coach, he helped me catch up fast with the team, with the plays and everything. So at this point, I feel good. I feel like we got a good chemistry, and we're ready to keep going.
Ay, Coach, wala, kasi para kung tama po yung bilang namin, you guys ended yung last conference with 7 straight losses. Tapos combined dun sa tatlong sunod na pagkatalo. 10 game losing streak. Can you just talk to us how reliever yun lang na finally na-end yung ganun kahabas lang?
Yes, definitely, yun nga, nagpapasalamat ako siyempre kay Lord Jan. Bigyan kami talaga ng panalo today. Especially with Talking Tex. Talking Tex is a champion team. Galing sila sa championship series. Yun lang, I give a credit to all my players. Pero siguro, gusto rin na, they want to win. They want to win talaga for this game. At the same time, Terrell wants to win also. So, well, I'm very happy for the result because yun nga, yung game plan namin, yung challenge ko with them, especially on playing defense, lahat nasunod nila. So, hopefully this will be the start na maging maganda yung conference namin. So, we'll just enjoy this win, okay, then we just move on and focus to the next game against them.
Sa post-game press conference, thank you everyone. Congratulations, Coach Renzi and Terrell.
Thank you.
Also,